Okay, little gusty. Just switched ammo. Got this 60 grain next, and we're shooting 55 grain. I did put a few clicks on the ACOG. Way down there, second from the left. Last 5 or so were on the center target. Let's run down and see what it looks like. Oh, video, because I don't think Fat House believes I can shoot 100 yards. All right, here we go. I don't know if Fat House can run 100 yards. This is just a jog. Of course, if it's crappy, I'm not going to post the video. Oh, let's see. There's the center one. Well, gee, that's pretty good. There was the first one, just trying to 55 grain to see where it was heading. 6 shot, 7 shot, walked it down, had a couple of clicks, and switched to the good stuff, and I think that's pretty good. 100 yards.